Hello and welcome to How to Be a Good Enough Kid with your children. I'm Alice. I am a primary school teacher. I'm the writer for the content here at Grow Your Mind. I'm one of the co-founders. I'm a mother to 3 children that are totally good enough. And I'm very excited that this Good Enough book is now in your hot little hands. So let me walk you through how you can best use it with your children. Step 1, open the book. Yep, just open that book, open it up. Okay, so what you'll notice here are there are 10 questions. Think of this book as a guide to life for you as well, if you're an adult, but also for your child, obviously, because it's called How to Be a Good Enough Kid. Now, I would really recommend beginning with the introduction. Reason being, the introduction talks you through what all these symbols mean throughout the book, what mental health means, the fact that they already are good enough, that's a little bit of a spoiler, but also it introduces you to some basics around the brain, which will make sense then for you and your child in terms of understanding why particular animals are leading the way with particular chapters. Now, what to do after that? Let's say, for instance, worst case scenario, they don't want to read the book or they're not into reading books at all. Have I got a solution for you, my friends? Well, one way to get your child to read the book is to get some dogs. You know, the dog's carrying the book. It's a lot more appealing. Short of not having any dogs, here's what I would do. I would get them to just read the comic strips of each chapter. They take no time at all. The writing's very small. You might need to help them read it with your glasses on. Or if they can read confidently, they can really have a crack at it. So I would get them to have a look at the comic strip for each chapter and guess what they think the comic is about.
There's an echidna outside. It's about to shuffle away.
How could you?
You're going to miss the echidna.
I just missed out on defeating the Ender Dragon.
The next thing that I would suggest you doing is you don't have to read the book in order by any means. Like I said at the beginning, absolutely start with the introduction. But then, you know, if your child is struggling with friendships, read the chapter on how to live to 100. If your child perhaps has some emotional regulation things happening at the moment, how to calm your farm. If perhaps your child has found themselves feeling ashamed of things they've done, how to dig yourself out of a hole. So go to the chapter that your child needs and take your time. And the thing is, at the end of every chapter, there is a practice makes progress section. And I would recommend doing it. And it might be that you're not writing anything down, but you're just discussing the things that have been brought up within that chapter. Super easy to do. End of every chapter, practice makes progress, have a bit of a discussion. Now, if your child's really keen, or maybe you can do this anyway, we have a free Practice Makes Progress journal that you can print from our website that goes along with the book. It's just a way of really making sure that you have read the book and also that your child understands what the book is about. Also, as I say in the book many, many times, not only does practice make progress, but you can't actually grasp these things just by reading them. You've got to write about them, reflect them, you've got to talk about them. It's like, I give the analogy, if you don't go for one run and then announce that you are now fit for life. It's an ongoing habit. And what the book really tries to nail is the fact that it doesn't have to be this boring, annoying, irritating thing that you do to look after your mental well-being and to nurture your friendships. You can make it playful and you can make it work in a way that suits you and your family. Another interesting thing that you can do with the book is at the end of every chapter, there's a shine a spotlight on. And we just give a little quote about that particular person and we invite children to go and find out more about them. This is quite an engaging way of getting kids to think about people they admire or maybe people they've heard of and thinking, okay, well, why is this person in this chapter? Also, we're all in this together. As adults, we still struggle with feeling enough at times. This is a great thing to teach your child as well, is that this, again, is an ongoing practice. Practice makes progress. Good luck. Reach out if you have any questions. We do get back to emails, hello@growyourmind.life. And remember, there's that free Practice Makes Progress journal on our website.